Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting personalization at the source. This reduces targeted Google ads. Open Settings, tap Google then Ads, and toggle off Opt-out of Ads personalization so apps can't tie ads to your ID. Once done, reset your advertising ID to break existing profiles. This step limits the why. Google uses that ID to serve tailored ads, so removing it reduces relevance and frequency. Make sure to perform a reset now. It's quick and immediately diminishes matched ad content across apps. Next, reduce ad delivery with app and browser controls. Install a reputable system-wide ad blocker or private DNS app to filter ad domains. This stops many banners and trackers. Then, go app by app. Disable notifications and pop-ups in each offending app so ads won't interrupt you. For browser ads, open Chrome, go to Site Settings then Ads and block intrusive ads. Once configured, many ads won't load at all because blockers intercept requests, saving data and improving speed, so make these changes now. Finish by tightening permissions and removing ad-heavy apps. You should revoke location, SMS, and contact permissions for apps that don't need them. This cuts targeting signals. Uninstall or replace apps that show excessive ads. Consider light or paid versions which remove ads entirely. Once done, reboot your phone and update apps. If ads persist, clear app cache and data for the offender. If a specific app still shows ads, restrict background data or uninstall. These final steps stop most remaining ad sources.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.